Hello everyone, Mike Adams here, Stream Realty Partners. We are here for our third episode at Palm Terrace. We are at the 25531 Commerce Center building. We're in Suite 160. This space is just shy of 5,300 feet. It's actually contiguous to Suite 120 for a total of just north of 11,000 feet. So you walk in here, this is the entrance. You've got a built-in receptionist desk with a quartzite countertop. We've got a conference room here, and then you've got 10 offices on the glass, all with side lights. Obviously, if you want more of the natural sun to come through, you can get rid of the filming. Large open area here for cubes, and just a bunch of cubes really, and then it flows to an open area conference room, also with quartzite and some upper and lower cabinetry. If we get you through for a tour, please let us know. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.